Today we got a video from Inside the Blue TV, and the title of the video is Boyfriend Secretly Calls Police on Intoxicated Girlfriend Doesn't End Well.
Look at your left, look at your right. Stop it.
A concerned boyfriend made a discreet decision. He secretly contacted police to have his girlfriend escorted out of a restaurant after she had too many drinks.
Did you call?
Hey, my girlfriend's kind of drunk, so I'm trying to get her out of here.
Okay, who's your girl?
I'm trying to have kids, but I'm trying to set her down. She's good now. Just
Where's she at?
Right here in the blonde. The blonde right here to the right.
Okay, there's two blondes right there.
The one with sunglasses on looking at you.
Oh, okay, I got you.
She was cussing in front of the kids, and I told her, hey, we got kids around here. I'm with her.
Okay, yeah.
And I told her to chill out, finish the drink, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
And if it has to do with something, maybe you can scare her or something.
So I talked to the people at that table that were the ones yelling. Okay, so what happened today?
Basically, what happened? She insults the kids. She called the kids bitches.
Which kids?
The kids go over there because all those girls right here, they work there. So the kids are there right now. Okay. That lady right there called the kids bitches. Hey, bitch, that's my table. So probably she's drunk or something, but she's being really unrespectful. So we already told her, we told her, hey, you need to be respectful. Please, if you know, you gotta leave. But she keep doing it. Actually, right now, she's keeping doing it. I don't know what happened with her man.
Okay.
But I don't know. Yeah, I think she needs to leave.
Hold your tongue.
Sorry. Hi.
Do you have a...
You know how bad it's got to be for the boyfriend to call the police on his girlfriend? That it typically doesn't happen. It takes a lot for a guy to call the cops on his girl.
Do you guys have IDs on you?
Not at the moment.
Yeah.
Not at the moment?
I have first name.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Apparently I do.
Okay, I
It's
got you.
not a real ID. A real fucking ID. Ugh.
Watch your
It's
mouth.
A real ID has to be.
Kim, stop.
What?
Your kids are in there.
Yes.
Yeah. So chill.
How much has she had to drink?
Nothing. A couple beers.
Just a couple beers. She just, what, she's lightweight? Is that what she's acting on? Okay.
What?
How much? Get nails done right here, and I just went outside to get a beer.
How much have you had to drink?
It doesn't matter. Here it comes.
Maybe
What?
Huh?
How much have you had to drink?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Okay. So I.
So Kim,
We had started
Kim, what we
birthday.
have to do is calm down and let's go. Okay, so sip whatever you got left.
Well, let's not do that, because here's the thing: you're really intoxicated, and it's one thing to do it inside of your home; it's another to do it out in public. Okay, it's actually against the law. Okay, you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
You do?
This main
Yeah, they did a great job on your nails. I'm just concerned about your level of intoxication.
It doesn't matter. I know.
Okay,
I fucking suck as a human.
well, that's not what I said.
That's kind of.
What's your last name, ma'am?
Bruning.
Her name's Kim.
What's my last name?
If you quit cussing, I might answer you. That's all I want you to do is quit cussing in front of the kids. That's what the people are having.
Yeah, because other people are here trying to enjoy their Saturday.
Kids, that was it.
I absolutely not the good way.
We're gonna leave.
Not the good way.
I want you to talk to these officers. Talk to the officers. Do you realize what's happening right now, Kim?
It's her birthday.
Do you know what's happening right now? Look at your left. Look at your right. Stop it.
We got a vehicle out of the roadway parked in the northwest corner wall. They're searching starting at 76.
Are you their friend, kid?
I'm a friend. I'm the driver.
You're the driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
My
You're the only one that hasn't had anything to drink?
drink.
You're the only one that hasn't had anything to drink?
Yeah. Oh, and the people in there. How old are you? I'm 18. You're 18. You're 19. My birthday was yesterday. Oh my god.
Baby.
Another parent calling.
Yeah.
She's a beautiful.
It was a female. Our calling parties with the
It's just expensive,
I
so
believe the ball association.
we're gonna get out of
I
here.
believe she had a gray or red shirt on.
I don't know. Do you want to
Like, get it
arrest me?
It's not cool to be
Can
arrested,
you act
Kim.
mature?
Clear.
Mature it up.
Sorry, my bad. Wait, it's not cool. Promise. What's up with this fucking what?
Patio area.
Seriously? He has
Okay.
a fucking mustache.
Mouth. Let's get in the car.
No,
It's time to go.
You guys
All
are,
right,
are
wherever.
gonna hang out for a minute, okay?
Okay.
This guy is weird. He's trying to get her out of there and all that stuff when they're there because of you, guy. Why don't you just sit down and zip it? That'd be good. Just sit down and zip it and let the cops do their job because you are the one that called them there. Now you like, yeah, let's go. Let's get her. Let's go. What? No, don't work like that. You wanted to do that, you should have did that instead of calling the cops. People always do that nowadays. They call the cops, and when the cops get there, now all of a sudden they don't want the cops to do their job. We just seen a story on this the other day, and I'm gonna tag it somewhere at the top or at the end or whatever, at the end of the video or at the top. But we just seen a situation where a girl was beating up her boyfriend in front of her mom. So the boyfriend called the cops on the girlfriend, and the cops get there and the cop body slams the girlfriend, and now the guy all of a sudden doesn't want her to get locked up, and it's like, handle your own shit. If you can't handle your own shit, don't be mad when the cops get there and get them together. Simple as that.
So your driver, do you have a valid driver's license on you?
I mean, can I go in there and grab it?
You don't have it on you?
No. I just came out.
So I never got your side of the story, Kim.
What?
I never got your side of the story.
What would you like?
Okay, so
Oh.
so what happened with the kids?
That girl says she flips them off. I don't think she did. She just throws that up.
I think my kids are cool.
Not your kids,
No.
and some other kids that you were yelling at.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay,
Sorry, my bad.
I gotcha.
Kim, be nice.
What?
To the cop man, please be nice to him.
To this.
Respectful.
Maybe we're just waiting on
my
this?
kids are in
Are we just
there.
gonna wait on this?
So my children
Okay.
are in.
Okay, I want you to stand up right now, okay?
Bye-bye.
All right.
I'll see you in the morning.
Turn around for me.
Just do what they say.
No.
It's fine right now. Please.
You're gonna start stacking up charges.
Arrested for anything? It's let it
Pull
go.
again one more time, you're getting another charge for resisting, okay?
Yes. Stop it. I got your back, babe. I got you.
697.
Go ahead, Mark.
Both are clear, local county NCIC. Kimberly has a valedictory 3, clear OSBI. Ryan has a 10-12-43, 10-12 OSBI 1 entry only.
Turn around this way. Okay, do you have anything illegal on you?
Right now.
Okay, so if you tell me about it out here and I find it, it's most likely a misdemeanor. If it makes it into the jail, it's most likely a felony, okay?
Good.
Okay, separate your feet for me. Wider. Thank you.
I think this will be okay. It's just her wrists are just too small for her.
I can't do it.
She's got plenty of room in there. Okay. All right. Have a seat. Have a seat.
It's easier if you put your
But
behind
first,
end first.
yep, there you go. Scoot yourself in with your feet.
Absolutely.
Kim, one more time. If you don't go in, you're getting a charge.
No.
I got any warrants?
Huh?
I'm good.
Where's the driver with you?
Hey,
We have 4 other people.
Okay, but you're not driving at all whatsoever?
I don't drive. I don't have a license. I got DUI last 2 years ago. I fucked up.
Okay, you're driving?
Yes, I
do you mind taking your hand out of your pocket because you have a knife in? Thank you.
I do have a knife.
There's that bag. It's best if you just get out of here, just take him away from the scene. I don't want to arrest him. Okay, he's just on the fence right now. If you're able to get him out of here, you're gonna save him from that jail time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't want to see him in this area whatsoever. If you guys already paid, get out of here.
I'll go watch the car. I have to help her out, so don't let me get arrested. So
Yeah,
she's going.
I suggest you don't be in public the rest of the day until you sober up a little bit so that you don't go to jail for PI, okay?
Yeah, I mean, just unbelievable. Then the cop, the guy called the cop, and then the cop turns on him and says, "Hey, you on the fence? You might want to tighten up, man. We gonna lock you up too. You better get him out of here quick before I change my mind." Yeah, man. Just if you, like I said, it's got to be really bad for a guy to call the cops on his lady. You know, you typically don't see that. That's more, you see that more on the other side. You know, but yeah, you out there drunk in public, man. Can't control your alcohol. Wonderful day, looked like the sun was shining, but some people can't handle the alcohol. Some people become, you're either gonna be a happy drunk or an angry drunk, and you gotta recognize which one you are, and which one, maybe there's certain types of liquor that turns you into an angry drunk. You may be typically happy, but certain types might turn you into an angry, right? Good thing for me, I'm a happy drunk. I don't get drunk too often, but if I was, I'm a happy go lucky kind of guy. But anyways, yeah, I think the cops did the right thing. 5 out of 5. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.